Hello students, up to now we have discussed that how different group participated in non-cooperation movement, and today we are going to start discussing that why non-cooperation movement was called off, why non-cooperation movement withdrawal by Gandhiji. Whenever Gandhiji saw the violence in any movement, he called back. Why he called back? Because he believed only in non-violence and truth. So when he saw violence in any movement, he withdraw the cooperation movement or he called off the any movement. So why Gandhiji withdraw the non-cooperation movement? Because this movement became violent at many places. In Chori Chora, UP, some people they were started peaceful procession. But when British government opened fire, then angry crowd burnt nearby police station and 22 policemen were burnt alive. To see this violence, Gandhiji felt that satyagrahis are needed to be trained properly before ready for mass struggle. That's why he decided to call off non-cooperation movement in February 1922. Now here we are going to discuss some examples to prove that Swaraj means different things to different people. First of all, you should know what is the meaning of Swaraj. Swaraj means self-rule, या फिर हम इसको डोमिनेंस ऑफ कांग्रेस लीडर भी कह सकते हैं, लोगों का खुद का रूल भी कह सकते हैं. बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम ब्रिटिश रूल ओवर इंडिया, सो पीपल wanted that self rule should be over the country. So it is a type of government granted by the British in order self governing colonies of Australia and Canada. To peasant in अवध, जो अवध के peasant थे, उनके लिए स्वराज का मतलब था कि रिडक्शन ऑफ रेवेन्यू, रेंट एंड abolition of begar or forced labor and social boycott of oppressive landlords. Similarly, for the plantation workers of Assam, Swaraj meaning for them that they will get their own land in their own villages, they will leave the tea garden and they will live with their families. For tribal people, Swaraj means that they will get permission to enter again in the forested area to collect fuel wood collection and fruits, vegetables, and allow to graze their animals in that forested area. So with what aim was the Swaraj party set up? इसी स्वराज के मीनिंग को साथ लेकर स्वराज पार्टी को सेटअप किया गया. स्वराज पार्टी सेटअप की मोतीलाल नेहरू और CR दास ने 1923 में. They were tired of mass struggle and wanted to participate in the election to the provincial council. अब तक कांग्रेस के लीडर बाहर से बायकॉट करके तंग आ चुके थे और अब वो काउंसिल के अंदर बैठकर, काउंसिल वॉज लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली जहाँ पर कानून बनाए जाते थे, जैसे हमारी पार्लियामेंट है, तो वो काउंसिल के अंदर बैठकर अपोज करना चाहते थे ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को और अपनी खुद की गवर्नमेंट सेल्फ रूल को सेटअप करना चाहते थे. दे फेल्ट दैट इट वाज इम्पोर्टेंट टू अपोज ब्रिटिश पॉलिसीज़ विद इन द काउंसिल, सो आर्ग्यू फॉर रिफॉर्म एंड ऑल्सो डेमोक्रेट दैट दीज काउंसिल वर नॉट ट्रूली डेमोक्रेटिक. और उन्होंने ये कहा कि ये काउंसिल पूरी तरह से डेमोक्रेटिक नहीं है क्योंकि इंडियंस को उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने की परमिशन नहीं दी जाती थी. सो दे ऑल्सो वांटेड टू कीप द एंटी ब्रिटिश स्पिरिट ऑफ द पीपल alive since non-cooperation movement was suspended.